Hey everyone, I am out at HQ, and this is day one of the installation of our Barndominium Big Max garage, and it's snowing, of course. It's been coming down pretty regularly here, and I've got a crew coming here shortly to start helping me set everything up, so we'll see how it goes. Have no idea how long it's going to take. And the snow just continues to cover, as you can see, the pad. I had a plastic covering over it just to keep it warm as best I could. And now I have to get that off so that we can start construction. So here we go. Okay, we got the concrete pad all cleared off. That took a little while. It stopped snowing, so that's great. And I got two other guys here to help me, so we're on our way. Okay, now we're just laying a line because it's so wet out, you can't put a chalk line down. So we'll square up the corners. Okay, we're just marking where those columns go on the pad with the brackets. One size it's different in the columns, so we called that out, and we're marking that now.